Are you single? In April 2023, an interesting campaign was started. It is called Pear Ring Social Experiment. The main idea of the experiment is to find people for dating in real life. It's launched in USA, UK, Germany, Canada, Australia. Pear is also hosting the world's first singles festival. Only ring holders are invited. The Pear Ring concept has touched on a common issue: dating app exhaustion and the challenge of transitioning from online dating to real-life connections. With the prevalence of swiping, matching, and chatting on dating apps like Tinder, Hinge, Field, and Bumble, the prospect of approaching someone in person and risking rejection can feel daunting and unfamiliar. Yet, if we want to meet potential partners in a more natural way, it's necessary to step outside of our comfort zones and make real-world connections. Recent agenda around women's experience of sexual harassment and assault has left many men feeling hesitant to initiate contact or make the first move. According to a recent survey, a little bit more than half of single men reported feeling apprehensive about being perceived as creepy, and this fear has reduced their willingness to engage with women. In light of this, it is understandable that some men, particularly those who are cautious about approaching women, might find the concept of a ring that signifies someone's single status appealing. The Pear Ring social experiment idea sounds fresh and interesting, but it also raises several potential pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The Pear Ring could be a unique and fun way for single people to signal their availability and interest in dating. It could potentially create a sense of community among wearers of the ring, as they would know that others with the ring are also looking for love. In-person approaches could be seen as more genuine and personal than online dating messages. The ring could potentially increase the chances of meeting someone who shares common interests and values. Talking about cons. The ring may not be universally recognized or understood, leading to confusion or misunderstandings. It may not appeal to all single people, as some may prefer more traditional or private methods of dating. There is a risk of unwanted or uncomfortable approaches, particularly if the ring becomes widely recognized and used. The ring may not be practical or appropriate in all settings, such as a professional workplace or a family event. High chance that more than 90% of all participants will be males. Overall, the Pear Ring social experiment idea has potential benefits for those looking for love, but it also has its drawbacks and limitations. As with any dating approach, it is important to consider personal comfort levels and boundaries, as well as safety concerns. Let me know, what do you think? Will single people benefit from this campaign? Will you see Pear Ring among your friends? Or maybe you are a single one who buys this ring after this video.